Have you ever dreamt of a home that feels like a private resort? Imagine waking up to sprawling green space just outside your window, knowing adventure awaits on nearby trails. This isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle. Introducing a brand new masterpiece waiting to be your sanctuary. Nestled on almost 2 acres, this expansive home offers 7 bedrooms, 7.5 baths, and over 8,700 square feet of meticulously designed living space. As you pull into the driveway, take a moment to appreciate the home and the expansive lot. Enter through the elegant foyer, where upscale finishes and thoughtful design elements set the tone for the rest of the home. High ceilings and abundant natural light create an open and airy ambiance. To your left, discover a welcoming guest suite. A cozy bedroom and full bath provide comfort and privacy for your visitors. Or, the main level bedroom can provide flexibility for multi-generational living. Beyond the stunning interior, this home prioritizes ease. An insulated garage door with a quiet opener, an electric car charging station, and strategically placed outlets all contribute to a hassle-free lifestyle. The adjacent mudroom is perfect for keeping everyday essentials organized. The formal dining room is designed for creating unforgettable moments. Elegant finishes and ample space make it the perfect setting for holiday gatherings and special occasions. The heart of the home is the expansive living room, anchored by a grand fireplace. Imagine cozy evenings by the fire or hosting unforgettable gatherings in this inviting space. Step through the doors onto the patio where indoor and outdoor living seamlessly blend. The gourmet kitchen boasts sleek cabinetry, top-of-the-line appliances, and stunning quartz countertops. A chef's dream come true. The adjacent pantry provides plenty of storage for all of your culinary needs. Ascend the stained brown oak staircase to the second level, where the first and second bedrooms await. These spacious bedrooms offer comfort and style, with ample natural light and generous closet space. conveniently located laundry room ensures laundry day is a breeze. The junior suite, complete with a private bathroom, can serve as a guest room, home office, or whatever suits your needs. An additional versatile room without a bathroom offers endless possibilities for a playroom, media room, or home gym. Indulge in the opulence of the owner's suite, a sanctuary designed for ultimate relaxation. The expansive bedroom, adorned with plush carpeting and bathed in natural light, features a large custom-built walk-in closet found through the bathroom. Discover a haven of tranquility in the spa-like bathroom, complete with dual lavish shower heads, a deep soaking tub, Descend to the finished basement, where a dedicated movie room awaits. This versatile space can also be transformed into a game room. But wait, there's more. Also on the lower level of the home, discover a hidden gem, a sprawling finished basement that unveils a luxurious self-contained living space. 3 generously sized bedrooms await, each offering a tranquil retreat with gleaming floors and abundant natural light. 2 bathrooms exude elegance, showcasing exquisite tile work, rainfall showers, and a tub. dream awaits in the heart of this lower level oasis. A kitchen boasting of top of the line stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, custom cabinetry, and a spacious island perfect for culinary creations and casual gatherings. The adjacent dining area is ideal for hosting small dinners, while the living room invites relaxation. With a separate entrance ensuring privacy and convenience, this versatile space offers limitless possibilities. Generate substantial rental income, create an opulent guest suite for visiting loved ones, or design a personalized sanctuary tailored to your unique lifestyle. The choice is yours. This home, offering 7 bedrooms, 7.5 baths, and over 8,700 square feet of living space, is currently priced at $1,275,000. Thank you so much for your time and attention during this tour. Also, a huge thank you to Delven Barfield of Keller Williams Realty, West Atlanta, for showcasing this incredible property. Ready to schedule a private tour of this one-of-a-kind home? Or are you curious about other properties in your area? Contact me, Ashley Baran, your real estate guide to luxury living. Let's find the perfect home for you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more exclusive property tours and real estate tips. Until next time, may your real estate dreams become reality.